Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to start Amazon affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started and how to make your first affiliate commission with Amazon. I'll show you how to sign up for Amazon Associate Program and grab your unique affiliate links. Then we will dive into picking the right product to promote that actually sell. Next, I'll share tips on creating content that converts and where to post that content to reach the right audience. And we will talk about driving traffic to your affiliate links and making consistent income with the Amazon affiliate program. So if you are ready to start earning with one of the best affiliate marketing programs out there, stay tuned and let's get started. As you can see over here, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and I made $139,753 in commission last year with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing using free traffic. Okay. Anyway, for people who want to start, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Okay. So you need first to create an affiliate website, an affiliate account with Amazon. So search for Amazon Associate and click on this link over here like this, and you will be directly in this page. Click on sign up like this, and here you go. Click on create your Amazon account, and as you can see guys, the sign up process with Amazon Associate program is super easy and simple. What you need to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing. So you should see some right here, your commissions, bounties, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that you will promote to the right audience to earn commissions. So how we can choose good products? So first, what we will use is we will use YouTube to get free traffic. So next step, go and open your YouTube account like this. So what you will do next is just go and open your YouTube homepage. Go to your YouTube. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has a lot of traffic. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. You can get so much traffic from YouTube for free. Okay, YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. And you should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And every single day, millions of people using YouTube to search for product to buy. Okay, that's why you need to focus on YouTube as a beginner. Anyway, what you will do, you will click here on the search, and I'm gonna ask, for example, best, let's say for example, best lighting for YouTube videos. Okay, and here you go. You guys can see you just need to ask question. Okay, best lighting for YouTube, let's add videos. Okay, and here you go. You see people are searching. You need to ask, you just ask question here, and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. That's what people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for best lighting videos, best lighting for YouTube videos 2024, best lighting for YouTube videos Amazon. Okay, you see this? Those people who are searching for this topic, they will be interested. If you go back to your Amazon account, go and open your Amazon account like this, and click on the search and search for lighting for video recording. Search for this product. Okay, so people who are searching for this topic, they have money and they want to start recording videos, and they want to buy this product, lighting for video recording. They want to buy this, like this product. Okay, so what you will do, like I said, go to Amazon, search for lighting for video recording, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of products here that you can use as an affiliate marketer with Amazon Associate. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good products. So how we can choose good products? So pay close attention. Always, when you will choose a product, make sure to check this. How many sales this product got in the past month? Like this one got 10,000, over 10,000 sales in the past month, meaning that this one is good. Okay, this is how we can choose good products. Or at least the product that you will use should get at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Okay, anyway, so this one is good. Let's scroll down if we can find more. We have also this one here is good. This one, over 5,000 people paid for this one. This one is good. If we scroll down, we have really a lot of products here, you guys can see. So let me choose one of those products. Let's scroll down more. We have also this one, over 6,000 people paid for this one. We have also this one here, you guys can see this one, over 9,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one is good also for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Oh, this one is good. So I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you want to start promoting as an affiliate marketer with Amazon. And you will be and you will be directly in this Amazon product page. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to download one of the videos from this Amazon products page. So here is what you will do. Click here on videos. You should see videos here. We have a lot of videos. And here you go. You will find a lot of people here talking, okay, talking about this product, okay, about the benefits of this product and their experience with this product. And people are satisfied. You guys can see here, those people are happy with the results. So what you have customer review videos. You see this? You have a lot of videos. What you need to do is you need to download one of those videos to your laptop. So here is what you will do next. Let me show you. Click over here in this 3 points and click go to extension and go to visit Chrome web store, okay, and install this extension. Search for this one. Let me show you. Search for this one, Amazon Video Downloader, okay, and install this extension in your Chrome, and you should see this extension here. If you click on this extension will give you all those videos that are in this product page on Amazon. You see this? You have a lot of videos here, okay, you see? So what you will do next, for example, let's pick this video, this first one, okay, that talk about this product. I will just click here on download, and you will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader page, okay? What you need to do is you need to download this video to your laptop. You see, we have the video here. Click on download video, and here you go. The video will start downloading to your laptop, okay? And what you will do next, let me show you. After this video will be downloading to your laptop, go to Google and search for Canva, okay? Search for this website. So this website will help you to edit this video and to edit and add your title. You can add your YouTube logo name there and so much more. Search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. And after you finish, this will be, let me show you, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Canva, okay? Super easy. What you will do next, click here on videos, okay? And click over here on YouTube video, okay? And you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, click on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Amazon, this one, okay? Click on open, and here you go. The video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text and choose which style of text you want to use. I'm going to use this one. Just click on any text style that you want to use. I will delete the second one, and I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here and double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description and put this sentence like this. Okay, and what you will do next, click here on elements and go over here to shapes and choose this one. Click on color and choose black color and put this shape behind this text like this. And here you go, you see. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, people who are searching for best lighting videos, best lighting for YouTube videos, they will see this. Check link in my description. We will put our Amazon affiliate link in our YouTube description. So here you go, the video is done. Okay, let me see. And here you go, your video is done. Let's check.
Hi everybody, I wanted to go ahead and do a really quick review of this ring light that I just recently got by Size. This ring light is awesome, and I'll go ahead and show you in just a moment exactly how you end up putting this together. Now obviously it doesn't come with an iPhone, but I'm telling you.
You see guys, this customer is satisfied with this product on Amazon, and he is happy with the result. So what you will do next, for you, click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. After you finish, go and open your YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. It's for free. Use this title, upload this video to your YouTube channel. First upload this video as Creative Commons, so you will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. If you are uploading those videos as Creative Commons, that's fine. And use this title, best lighting for YouTube videos. You can add 2025 new videos, new topics. Okay, to rank, you need to so what you need to focus on is you need to rank your videos high in the search results. The traffic is already there, it's already on YouTube. People who are interested to buy these products are already on YouTube. What you need to do is you just need to show to those people your video about your product that you are promoting as an Amazon associate, as an affiliate marketer with Amazon associates. Okay, that's it. Okay, and in your YouTube description, go back to this product page. Okay, on Amazon, to get an affiliate link for this product, you just need to click here on get link like this, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link and go and put this affiliate link in your YouTube description. This is exactly how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube and start making consistent commission every single day. If we search, let's search for this one, best lighting for, to show you guys that it's possible. It's already working. The method is already working. Okay, you just need to start, and here you go, best lighting for YouTube videos. You see people already promoting those products. Let's check, for example, let me see, best lighting for YouTube videos. You guys can see those videos are really, if you should like, those videos can keep getting views for years. Okay, look at this one, for example, like this one was uploaded 2 years ago and still getting views, which is really good, still making money. Like this one, let's check this video, for example, to show you. Okay, let's click on this video so you can understand and get a clear idea about how this Amazon associate affiliate marketing business works. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the video. If we scroll down, if we go over here to the description of this video, if we click here on more, and if we scroll down, you see this. This is an Amazon affiliate link. Let's check. Let's click on this link, and here you go. Do you see this? You guys can see. You see, this is an Amazon affiliate link, and this is the product. If I buy this product from this YouTuber, he will earn commission from this one. Okay, he will earn commission. He is already posting affiliate links in his YouTube description, and this is exactly the same business I explain it to you in this video, and it's already working. It's working 100%. You see? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is exactly how you can start Amazon affiliate marketing as a beginner with free traffic. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me. I have an Amazon affiliate marketing course that is covering everything step by step. You will get access to all my profitable products. Of course, I'm not using just YouTube. I'm using Instagram. I'm using TikTok. I'm using Pinterest and so much more. And you will get everything inside my course, and you will get access to me and my team. If you didn't understand something, or you have any problems or questions, you can reach out to me and with my team, and we will guide you step by step. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please like this video, comment affiliate marketing, and see you in my next videos.